Validator help out any?
No, this is not a job for validator.
Oh,
My HTML being malformed is not gonna help me.
it was quickly formed, I remember.
Let's try it this way. Maybe it is important that the class or the ID comes first. Okay, so let's save it and see what happens.
Huh.
Okay, so it's animating. Nope, I don't know why is it breaking? Let's see this. Body scroll to is not a function. That's not right.
I've scrolled.
Huh, what do you mean body scroll to is not a function?
Body scroll. Oh,
Oh, no, it's right. Oh, there's a huge one right there. Didn't put the dollar sign.
yeah, it needs the money.
There it is. All right, there we go. Let's try this again. So 2, I go back to top.
Now it's
There we
scrolling.
go. Now it's scrolling.
Why would the dollar sign leaving it out make it?
Because it's badly formed. It doesn't think that it's jQuery.
So it just went to the top like a. At least it went to the top.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes. Can you slow the scroll down
I
too?
can. Yeah, I can slow scroll down.
Of course you can.
Only animating sometimes. It's really strange.
So that will move it all around.
So yeah, I can slow it down. I'll make it happen in 2 seconds. I'll make, when I click on 4, it'll take 2 seconds. The other ones will take 0.8 seconds.
What's the longest that you can?
I'm sure it can take a really long time. I'm not sure what the longest is. Okay, so I'm gonna click on what, 7,
7.
or let's see, 6. No, I'm not sure why that's not working. Oh, because I didn't write it. Okay, I'm gonna try it for 3. Right, what's 3? Go to 3 really quick. When I go to 4, so it's faster to go to these. Okay, so there you go.
Okay.
So that's how that plugin works. Ta-da, now I know how to use this scroll to plug. There you go.
So all the plug-in really was a couple of lines of code.
That's it. Well, I mean, it was some JavaScript.
And the
I had-
JavaScript
I
too.
had to bring in my page, but
No, no.
learning how to use it was only a couple lines of code.
All right, the JavaScript, I see, so that's really all we're looking for.
That's it.
And then watch how it works too.
Yep, and see how it works.
And then see if we could make it work in our own.
That's right.
Oh, yeah, that should
So,
be
it
easy.
took me 20 minutes.
I don't think I could have figured it out,
Well,
but,
then you could have moved on to a different
well, yeah, I would
Yeah, I
have
mean,
done,
That was just the one that I chose.
yeah,
to
and
use.
I would have probably moved to the one that gave the number of pixels,
There
I'm
you go.
thinking.
There you
Mike,
go. Yes.
can you show again one more time how to use Firefox to live update the...
Oh, yeah, sure.
Let me,
So right here in Firefox, I'll go ahead and open it up.
ooh, what time do you have, by the way? Did you catch all?
The easiest way to do it is just
I didn't.
do add-ons.
I got
Yeah.
the
Search
video.
for add-ons.
Okay,
Add-ons for Firefox. If you're in the Firefox browser, that
Yeah,
comes
okay.
up pretty fast.
yeah.
Click on add-on for Firefox. And I search for Web Developer. And it's this one right here. And you can just add it to Firefox right
Okay.
there by clicking on that. I already have it, so I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
okay,
add it.
all right. Just show what...
Okay, so now that you've got that, you'll restart and you'll get this bar across the
Okay,
top.
all right.
So let me do some.
Uh-huh.
So if you have it there, you can click on CSS, and, then-
Okay,
and there it has all the different styles. It'll have every CSS document that's attached to your document. So this is the fancy box one, and this is the one that's just embedded at the top of the page.
okay, all right.
You can say, oh right, Elijah, I want you to be color red. Oops, I shouldn't say that, I should say, there you go, and then it does that. I say,
So you
oh,
can-
I don't want that, I don't want the text declaration, I don't want the underline.
None.
None, ta-da.
That's the Firefox plugin?
It's the web developer plugin for Firefox.
And you could use that instead of Dreamweaver if you wanted
Well,
to?
you can use it to live update what you have on the page.
Oh,
You can save it to updates if you have.
Yeah, you can click on this little save thing if you want to.
Oh, okay.
If it's embedded, it won't work,
Okay.
or it won't save it to the
No, you can
page.
copy and paste and.
But you can copy and paste.
uh-huh.
So as you most likely gonna be using it for debugging your own code.
I use it to style stuff. If I'm not 100% sure how to do something, then I use this to style things all the time.
Okay. So it's actually developer,
Yep.
and it works only for Firefox. Chrome doesn't have it.
Chrome may have its own set of
Okay.
plugins, but I don't know.
It doesn't matter.
yeah.
Firefox works similar to Chrome, right?
Yeah, in certain ways, yeah.
It should be doing similar stuff to all.
Oh, nothing's happening now.
So you can add all the stuff like CSS, forms, images. And,
Yep. Yeah, you can dissect your pages and all that stuff across the top.
Okay.
The one I use the most is that little CSS plugin.
It's called the
Web
plugin.
developer plugin.
Yeah, I wrote it down last week, 3 weeks ago.
Okay.
Web developer
Well,
plugin.
you know what's also cool about Firefox? One of the things that's cool about Firefox as a whole, if you go to, this is not part of the web developer plugin, but you can do, let's see, where's it? Tools? Is it responsive design mode? You can
Oh.
do this.
Oh, you can pull it out.
It does a whole bunch of stuff where it tells you how wide your pixels are. You can set it to some popular sizes, like here's a phone size, here's a desktop size, and it shows you what it looks like.
That's part of the plugin?
No, that's just part of, what do you call that, Firefox itself.
Oh,
You can simulate if you have touch, you can say touch listeners. So you can, what it's like if you use your finger. I mean, not that it does much different, but not this, but you can like swipe and do that kind of stuff, so.
uh-huh.
and
It's
this
very
actually,
cool.
this one is in the. Where do you get it from?
It's under tools,
Web developer. Okay.
yeah, but this is the web developer extension, which is
Okay.
this thing right here.
Okay.
This is just web developer.
The comes
inside
is
Firefox.
okay. That's possible. Okay.
It's very cool.
Right.
So there
Well,
you
that sounds pretty
Right.
good.
Firefox as a whole is pretty awesome. That's what I
I
like.
was wondering if you.
Uh-huh. Oh, my antivirus thing wore out this morning, so what do I do? Go to another free one, or
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
anyone you recommend I get?
No, I don't use any antivirus software because we're an entirely Mac household.
Yeah, that's handy, and I'd like to do that, but it's kind of expensive. I'm in the market for a new
I was
computer.
wondering something like this. I don't want. I just merge the layers and I copy them because I want to do something similar with one and change. But unfortunately, once I merge the layers, I cannot change anything.
Yeah.
So is there any way to undo it?
Not if you
Merging
saved it
layers.
already.
Merging layers is
It merges it, yeah, puts it together.
so you cannot merge.
Well, I mean, you can't unmerge them unless you use the little
Oh no.
lasso tool and.
But it does accept merge layers. It means it's actually take it most like one image. And sticks in one. Okay.
Yep,
Can't
That
you,
flattens it out and okay.
it's flattened and you can't
Alright,
unflatten it,
okay.
especially if you've saved it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah,
But
if you-
this is
Sorry.
actually would be enough to. I don't want to. I can put something else.
So is this the homepage? What is
So
the page?
it's a portfolio page instead of home page. Home page is a portfolio. That's actually what should show up at the front.
Okay, well then, so you don't really need a home.
No, I don't. I'm going to remove home. I was just
Okay.
thinking what to do to make it a couple extra ones.
Okay.
If resume, maybe I don't know. But,
Nothing. If you don't, if that's the content you have, don't go making up stuff just to
No, I'm thinking
fill up
about-
pages.
I'm thinking about putting something else, but I'm not sure.
Okay,
Alright,
so there you
would
go,
it be
man.
enough?
I would like to see a page with some text on it, I mean, rather than just big images.
oh,
So that's actually text. I have something like this.
I know you have some words on there, but.
No, not this one. I can show you.
more text. Uh-huh.
It should be the same.
What time do you
I
have
I want to
it?
use the same, exactly the same layout, so I'm gonna change.
Don't have it
822.
change like header and style like that. Are you just showing me that to show me that there's text on that page, or are you showing me that as that's a complete
No.
design?
This is gonna change to, the style I'm gonna change to this one,
Okay.
like the same coloring.
Well,
So I'm
well,
gonna remove the background and so on.
okay.
Basically,
So
this
you're
is
saying
like.
it's gonna be gray and with a white
Yeah,
background?
yeah, that's right.
Okay.
And this is gonna be for bio or
Well, it's gonna, you're gonna have better success if you actually mock it up.
Okay, yeah.
But, so
Well,
the answer to your question is no, that's not good. I want you to actually create a mock-up. Create exactly what it's gonna look like.
Oh, yeah, no, I'm talking about this is gonna be similar to this one, but.
I hear you, but,
So this is gonna be.
but
quite
actually,
changed.
does it actually make it look like the other one, not?
Yeah, no,
like it looks right now?
no,
Okay.
I'm gonna do it, but
Okay.
is it a good idea, a good start?
Yeah, I think you could probably do something a little bit more with the text.
Text, what I was wondering, what kind of fonts should I use here? Like the fonts I use,
Well, see, that's kinda nice, you could start to try and use those, yeah.
what I did, I basically look at somebody else's Firefox. Design history, oh yeah. I look at this webpage, and I look
Ah.
at professional builder.
Yeah.
So I was looking, where did she get the fonts, and can I see what the fonts?
Okay, cool.
So I can use, what I tried, I try to use the tools. Unfortunately, she doesn't have a developer CSS stuff. So I have to download it, I don't know if it
Yeah.
allows me to do this or not.
You can use inspector though. Use inspector, and then click on one of the headlines or something,
Okay,
and see what you get. Click on that.
it does.
So if you go to fonts,
Oh, yeah, okay.
but you gotta actually click on it, dude.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, look, it says it, Future APT.
Okay,
Webbook.
future PT webbook.
Okay. Perfect.
It's easy, hey,
All right, cool. Thanks.
it's something. I would have had to look.
I spent a lot of time trying
Yeah.
to figure out. That's why I'm taking stuff.
That's okay.
Excellent.
This is the thing.
That's
that
what I
talks
do.
about. This saves me so much time and it gives me basically better understanding.
Yeah,
Instead of-
see if you can find that someplace where you can use it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Know where that